Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about place of supply and how to solve problems relating to place of supply under GST. Now, before starting with the practical sum, let us first go through the rules. So now there are five cases in which we have place of supply. Number one, when there is movement of goods, the place of supply will be the location of goods where the delivery terminates for the recipient. That will be the place of delivery. Second, supplier delivering to a recipient on direction of a third person. So if there is three-person in a contract, okay, so the third person's principal place of business will become the place of supply. Third case is when there is no movement of goods. In that case, wherever goods are sold, that location will become the place of supply. Fourth, assembly or installation at site. It means wherever the goods or services have been installed at that place, okay, that place will become your place of supply. And the last is onboarding or conveyance. In that case, wherever your train or a vessel has been boarded, wherever the goods have been boarded, that location will become your place of supply. Okay, now let us understand the place of supply with the help of following examples. Determine the place of supply in each of the following cases and give reason. That will be the question which will be given. Okay, now the very first case, Mr. Arjit Singh, based in Mumbai, travels to Gujarat for a live performance at Music Concert 2019. Now here the place of supply will be Gujarat. Reason, Mr. Arjit was from Mumbai, but he traveled from Mumbai to Gujarat and he performed in Gujarat. So here the service has been delivered in Gujarat. Okay, so the reason is that the place of the supply of service is from the location where the event is actually held. So here the event was actually held in Gujarat. So Arjit Singh from Mumbai traveled to Gujarat. So there's basically movement of service here. So here the place of supply will be Gujarat. Second case, the Messrs Airtel based in Bangalore supplied Airtel DTH to Messrs Rohan Enterprise of Mumbai at their office. Now here we have to think under which case it comes. Now here this is DTH service is basically an installation service. As per the rule of installation, place where the service or goods is installed, that place will become your place of supply. So in this case, the POS is Mumbai, and the reason that Mumbai is the place where the DTH is installed. Okay, now next, Messrs Anil Enterprise of Pune, Maharashtra supplied 25 bikes to Messrs Sushil of West Bengal. Now here the goods have been supplied from Pune to West Bengal. So here there is clear example of movement of goods, and as per the rule under movements of goods, okay, wherever the goods are delivered finally, that place will become your place of supply. So in this case, the place of supply will be West Bengal, and the reason is there is movement of goods from one place, that is a place of supplier, to the place of recipient. Okay, next, Miss Niyati, makeup artist from Mumbai, went to New York for makeup at a wedding reception function. Now here, okay, Miss Niyati, she is going out of India for some service. In that case, okay, whenever you are going out of India for service, in that case, the service provider's location, okay, will be considered place of supply. So in this case, the place of supply will be Mumbai. Reason, if the event is held outside India, the place of supply shall be the location of the recipient. One last one, Dinesh, having registered office in UP, imported goods into India from Malaysia, which were received at Mumbai airport. Now, whenever goods have been imported, okay, always remember the place of supply will be the location of the receiver. So here, Dinesh is the receiver who's importing goods. Okay, his location is UP. Therefore, the place of supply will be UP. The reason is very simple, that the when goods are imported from outside India, then the place of supply will be the place of the recipient. Okay, These were few example of few cases of place of supply. Thank you.